Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Colmi P73, our second video review for our unboxing of this new wearable from Colmi, the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. And as you can see here, we have an outdoor style design. Okay, beautiful looking, slim body frame, Colmi P73 Smartwatch. So this time we are going to check on the offered features of this wearable, the menus and functions available on this smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video, specifically about the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and explore the menus and features of the Colmi P73 smartwatch. Okay, again, this is the latest wearable from Colmi. Okay, so we have here the Colmi P73. So we have here a beautiful watch face. Let's swipe from top to bottom. Okay, so we have here the quick settings. We have the brightness display. Wow, very good brightness so far. Okay, let's see. Beautiful screen, very sharp. What else do we have here? Menu options. You can change it directly here on the menu, on the quick settings. Go back. So this one, let's see. What's the purpose of this one? Okay, dedicated sports button. Go back from left to right. Okay, we have the different menus. You can access it here. On the other side, okay, so this one is, okay, so this one, I don't know if this is a Bluetooth call or just Bluetooth or call notification. We'll check on this later on. Okay, so we have here automatic activity tracking, heart rate, so you can check also whether you are wearing it or not. Blood oxygen, we have sleep monitoring, music control, voice assistance, and you can add other functionalities here. Weather. Okay, so we have the weather functionality here. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. Okay, so going back to the menus, so let's see. So we have step counter, sports record. We have a heart rate here. Okay, we have a telephone or Bluetooth call maybe, or call notification. We have music control, message notifications. We have sleep notifications, voice assistance, flashlight. Okay, so we also have a blood pressure monitoring, breath training, alarm, weather, blood oxygen. We also have timer, stopwatch, female health, okay, camera. We also have a game, guacamole, only one game, the QR code, the calculator, settings. So for the settings, we have brightness screen. What's this one? Component editing. Okay, so if you want to add a main feature here on the home, I think if you want to add this one, okay, cards, I think, I'm not sure. Okay, time format, date format. Let's see for the date format. Time, yes, we have a 12-hour format time. I don't see any option for the screen. System again, dial settings, theme. Okay, so we have a menu options, list view, kaleidoscope, cellular view, symmetrical, arc view, media sound, dial settings. So we have a lot of watch faces. Find my phone, low power mode, brightness. Okay, I like this one. Screen time, let's adjust 20. Okay. Language support. So it has a lot of options for languages. And go back. Oops. We changed the language here. Okay, can we bring it back? Let's see. Okay, settings. Go back to the English language. Okay, that's it. Going back. Games, camera control, calculator, and I think that's it. Okay, for the sports function, go back, just press this one, or you can access also the main menu here. It's also available here. Let's try. So we have walking, running, cycling, rope skipping, rowing machine, spinning, yoga, basketball, volleyball. There's a lot of sports here, as you can see. I think this one has a comprehensive list of sports function. Okay, sports, other sports. So as you can see here, we have a categories: running sports, cycling sports, outdoor sports, indoor sports, ball sports, and we have a lot of sports so far. Okay, so it is a sports smartwatch. Okay, the design is sporty, outdoor style, with a lot of or comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay, this is your Colmi P73 Smartwatch. Okay, so if you are planning to get one, I think it's okay, except for, as I have stated earlier, the wide black border here on the bottom part. But so far, when it comes to features and responsiveness of the screen is okay. The menus, the features added or included in the smartwatch is also good. Your Colmi P73 Sport Smartwatch. Okay, so you can check on the specs on the description. We have a dedicated sports button. This is the power button. Beautiful looking outdoor slim type smartwatch. They call me P73 Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your question if we do have that time.